Kuwait is a small country located in the Persian Gulf, and its cuisine is a reflection of its rich cultural heritage, history, and geography. Kuwaiti cuisine is characterized by its focus on using fresh, local ingredients, traditional cooking techniques, and a wide variety of spices and herbs. Its unique flavors and techniques have gained international recognition in recent years, and its influence on modern cooking cannot be overstated. In this essay, we will explore the fascinating and diverse culinary traditions of Kuwait, including its history, traditional dishes, modern innovations, and its influence on the wider culinary scene. History. Kuwait's history is closely linked to its location as a crossroads of trade between Asia, Europe, and Africa. The country was a major trading hub, and its location at the crossroads of trade routes led to the introduction of new ingredients and cooking techniques. Moreover, Kuwait's proximity to the sea meant that seafood was a significant part of the country's diet, and it continues to be a staple ingredient in many Kuwaiti dishes. Traditional Kuwaiti dishes. Traditional Kuwaiti dishes offer a glimpse into the country's culinary history and the influence of its diverse cultural heritage. Here are some of the most popular traditional Kuwaiti dishes. Mashbouz. This is a rice dish that is typically made with basmati rice, meat, usually chicken or lamb, and a mixture of spices. The dish is often served with a tomato and onion sauce. Kebab. This is a grilled meat dish that is typically made with beef or lamb. The meat is marinated in a mixture of spices and then grilled over an open flame. It is often served with rice or bread. Gabout. This is a traditional Kuwaiti bread that is similar to pita bread. It is often served with a variety of dips, including hummus and baba ganoush. Haris. This is a porridge-like dish that is typically made with wheat, meat, and spices. It is often served during Ramadan and other special occasions. Mashbouz daye. This is a chicken version of the traditional mashbouz dish. It is made with chicken, rice, and a variety of spices, and it is often served with a tomato and onion sauce. Modern Kuwaiti cuisine. In recent years, Kuwaiti cuisine has undergone a transformation, and it has become more diverse and international. Chefs in Kuwait are now using local ingredients to create modern and innovative dishes that are attracting attention from around the world. Kuwaiti chefs are known for their focus on using fresh, local ingredients, and their dishes often reflect the country's cultural traditions. Some of the most popular modern Kuwaiti dishes include margawag. This is a traditional Kuwaiti soup that is made with chicken, vegetables, and spices. It is often served with bread and is a popular dish during Ramadan. Biryani. This is a rice dish that is popular in Kuwait and throughout the Middle East. It is typically made with basmati rice, meat, and a variety of spices. Ksi. This is a roasted lamb dish that is often served during special occasions. The lamb is roasted over an open flame and is